In an indication of what could be expected if Egypt ratifies an Islamist-backed constitution, an atheist from a Christian family has been sentenced by a Cairo court to 3 years in prison for insulting religion. The man, Albert Saber, has claimed he is innocent after being convicted for providing links to the anti-Islam film Innocence of Muslims, which set off sometimes violent protests throughout the Muslim world earlier this year. Egypt's draft constitution explicitly weaves blasphemy as a crime into the fabric of the country's most basic legal framework, a fact that has raised fears that the number of prosecutions could escalate. Egyptians have already begun voting on whether to adopt or reject the constitution, with ballots arriving at Egyptian embassies in countries throughout the world, although diplomatic missions say initial turnout has been low. In Washington, the Egyptian embassy hosted a party for a handful of Egyptians who cast their ballots in the referendum. Voting in Egypt is scheduled for Saturday, but the opposition has been calling for a delay. President Mohamed Morsi is expected to announce that the referendum be held in 2 stages, with the second round a week later on December 22nd. Egyptian state media said this was because many of the judges needed to oversee the vote were protesting the document.